FPOS Group has a great way to combat your credit card fees. We can help you do so by passing along those costs to your customers directly in FuturePOS. With Shift4 Payments and FuturePOS, FPOS Group can activate this free feature. We can configure the system to show how much an item will cost if they pay cash or credit. We will even provide the signage to put out to notify your customers. For example, if Dwayne rings in a bottle of Bud Light, it will show the cash total of $3.19 and the credit card total of being $3.31. When Dwayne rings up a cash transaction, it'll pop up with the $3.19. Now when Dwayne rings in the Bud Light and pays for it with the secure EMV processing, it will show up at $3.31. When Dwayne runs his cash out report, you can see those separate transactions in two different prices. Additionally, you will see that there was the 12 cents that we collected on that transaction to go towards your credit card fees. Now let's take a look at your receipt. As you can see here, it will show the customer each total depending on if they spend cash or credit at your establishment. Passing along your credit card fees to your customer is just another way that FPOS Group and FuturePOS save you time and money